Oh my god! I'm so stressed. Babe! Parang chicken in Nasal! Hi vlog! Today's the day. We're going to Davao. So I'm here at my parents' house because I had to drop off my dog. I'm so excited to go to the airport. I'm meeting Elijah na there. That's where our journey will begin. Okay, so see you guys! Ang hirap mag-emote pag ma-traffic. Why are you a different person on camera? Bakit parang, cook? May spirit.
Nice.
You don't want siya, Oh, I thought you were gonna say no and give it to me. Tingin mo ba yung mga kasama natin sa flight sa Davao din sila pupunta?
Ha?
Read.
The platform.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to Davao.
Welcome to Davao.
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 Davao. Ang galing naman mag-scoop ng soup.
Sa housewife.
I was running shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. Oh God. We're in the activities area in Eden. And we're gonna do this first. It's called the Sky Loop. Ayoko na tuloy lalo. I don't want to do it, but Elijah wants me to do it, so he's pressuring me, and he's a bad person. I wonder what the helmet is for. Sa bagay, like that. Put my Crocs in sport mode. Ang taas! Ang ina! Ang taas pala! Ah, shit. Okay, I think I just found out a new fear of mine. I guess. Hello, this is me after everything.
How do you feel?
So tiring. I would actually do that again. But yeah, let's go. Why are you such a video hog? We had a late start because somebody wasn't waking up on time.
I was waiting for what you were gonna do.
We had to do bato topic for somebody to open the windows. Today we're going to fish. This is real. We're gonna try to catch our lunch. Stop talking over me. Anyways, this is the... What is this? Natuloy! This is the catfish that Elijah caught a while ago. And then this is the tilapia that I caught. The bigger one that I caught as grilled, and the piniputok one as the smaller one. We're gonna go to Malagos. We're in the butterfly dome. I don't know, I think we're in the 3rd dome, and there's 5 domes. I've never said dome so many times in my life. Here in the Philippines, we have a special butterfly species. That's the special butterflies. Here in the butterfly dome.
Yan.
Sa kanila nang galing yung stroke na butterfly. Kasi marinmang sila mag-swim.
Ay nakoy.
So this is the shape I chose. I wanted a heart. Elijah opted for the flowers. Pour the chocolate first, half of it, halfway, and then put your toppings, and then pour it again halfway. So, tada! Binigay na nila sa amin. So these are mine. Taste test. I don't know which one this is. Cheers. So this is the spicy one.
We don't taste the spice. Spicy with mango.
Too good. The Roxas is good also. I love it. I love Malagos always. And then probably gym. And then we'll do Rojas night market. We're having barbecue, pork barbecue, sinuglaw. It's like kinilaw with sugbang baboy. You can see how fresh the tuna is. And then we also had grilled squid here. This is grilled squid. And then tuna pa nga. And then for our rice, we opted to get pastel. So I think this is chicken pastel, most likely. We got a new one, and this one's way crunchier. You want some Dragon Balls?
Wow.